Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. All the new watchers, I really welcome you all for my new channel Ethereal Sonia. This video is for Taurus for the month of November, and I'm sorry I'm a little late because there was too much of work happening so that I couldn't upload the video. But now I'll be uploading the video of Taurus for the month of November. I will be completely getting all the insights from Divine and will be channelizing those to you. So without further ado, let's jump onto your reading. Taurus, I feel that your letting go is important. Some of you still feel that you are connected with your past. You're very well aware what's happening in your entire space. That means you are in control of your destiny. Your powers are back to you. Some of you, I'm getting message for your mother. Take care of your mother. I think for one more sign, I got the same message for the mother. So I feel you have to watch your moon and sun sign for the complete insight. There are delays, but the things you want will be manifested, because delays are generally divine planned actions because of some more lessons you need to learn, or your other person or your family member or anybody concerning this particular delay has to learn some lesson so that it can manifest in your favor. You have to participate, Taurus, in many things. Some actions, some activities, I think outdoors. So I think some of you are planning to move out for some holiday, some vacation, and you have to participate in a lot of sports and activities which could rejuvenate you. And I also feel that your near dear ones would call you up and say that let's go and plan some trips and go abroad or out of your country. So yeah, I think after this entire pandemic you should think about moving out and entertaining yourself. Also, I get that your partner, if people who are looking for partner or soulmates, is also calling you. It could be a spiritual connection, it could be a connection which is built on a very strong foundation, and now they are also willing to come back to you, or they're at least missing you, or maybe they are stalking you as well. So we'll check that out, if they are stalking you or you are stalking them, because energy flows both ways. Let's see, Taurus, what's coming for you in the month of November. Nine of Wands. So very clear that you are done with something which is like more than 90%. Your cycle of waiting zone or struggle in something is done, but it is 90%. That means that 10% is still a waiting zone. You are opposing some energies, Taurus, which I feel you should be fluid enough to accept them, because oppositions would be the delay. The reason of your delay would be oppositions. So don't oppose energies. Whatever has been offered to you or guided to you, just go with the flow. This will help you manifest things which you are looking for, because Nine of Wands is generally end of the struggle, end of the cycle which you have struggled, but still you have some more lesson to learn or awareness I'm getting. So maybe some of you, you will get awareness about some situation where you will be ready, then you will be ready to take that decision which is pending, which is something you are looking for to take a big step is pending. Let's check what is the general energy for Taurus for the month of November. I think, yeah, pending work is still there. Something is still pending. The energy is such. Okay, so so it could relate to some of you who are looking for somebody from the past to come back and reconcile and give you that that kind of favor which you're looking for, because I'm getting Six of Cups with Six of Pentacles. So 6 is a very destined number, also a number of reconnection. So I feel that Six of Pentacles is definitely either you're looking for some kind of monetary favor, but in my intuitive level I'm getting that Six of Cups is the main card of this reading, which is you're looking for some reconnection. Either your person is missing you from the past, it could be a best friend also, it is always not about soulmates, but I'm getting that you're looking to reconnect and they are also feeling the same way. They're also feeling the same way. Also, Six of Pentacles tells me that some kind of reunion which you people want because of that equality you shared in your relationship, and you will be together this time. The destiny will support you. You're destined to be together. That kind of feeling I'm getting, because you can see that there are two people involved, with one person giving the favor, and this person in this reading is the destiny, is the universe basically. So I feel that you will get that kind of support which you are looking for. But coming to this point also, it took you long time, Taurus, because it is The first card is Queen of Wands. You have struggled, you have learnt your lessons, you have become powerful to even manifest this. It could be a spiritual connection, it could be something coming from your past lives, a gift maybe, sometimes some spiritual gift which you are getting from the past life. But manifesting it is taking time. Why? Because you have to become more powerful. Queen of Wands is a sign of power which you have, but you have to untap it completely so that you can reach to that connection. So it was possible that you have a spiritual connection with someone. Let's check that why you are missing your past and why this past is coming back. So I will pull out cards that what is that relation of past you are getting in your November energy. I feel it is going on from a while. For a while, I think. Okay, so basically you had emotions for someone. Emotional connection was too high, but maybe you were unanswered, you were blocked, or your emotions were actually completely ignored by that person, that connection. And now you want justice. Now you are like, I'm done. I want this person to either reciprocate, or I will need to know the real truth, why there was a disconnection or a cheating kind of energy I'm getting, that you were cheated. You feel that person used your emotions. You feel, because I'm getting Justice card, now you're very clear about justice. And when you have Justice card, you actually have balanced energies, because you can see there is a balance. And that is the reason being too emotional gave you nothing, or maybe you lost a lot of time waiting that your emotions will be answered by someone or some people, maybe a group of people. But then now it's Justice with Ace of Swords, very clear that you are very much done with this kind of connect, and now you're looking for either the truth, or you will have to accept this truth that that door has to be completely closed. So you are on a very deciding point, and Justice energy always tells me that justice will be done. You will be answered, you will be unblocked. Maybe for that person to come and tell you that the closure is there, or maybe they want you back. Anything is possible, which we will check out. But justice will happen to your emotions specifically. I'm not saying that you will get that person back, the relationship will be back to you, but your emotions will be answered by the past. So it is possible that you are actually stuck in your past because of this Justice energy. So I feel that in November, this justice will come through. This person, okay, let's see how this justice will be served to you. What action or what event will happen that will give you that justice. So let's pull out cards for Taurus. What event will happen that you will get that justice back? I am strongly getting either it's your mother or it's their mother. Some motherly connection is strongly there, that you will get that clarity. Superb. So I think that person which you are waiting for, the clarity you're waiting for, the justice you're looking for, was in a limbo. That person had hangman situation. That means they wanted a lot of things with you, but this hangman situation didn't allow them to focus. Their mental energies were completely out of balance and they could not connect to you. So Taurus, I feel that the blame game shouldn't be there, because as long as you waited, they were also hanged upside down. It was a suffering from both the ends. And then I get that what event will happen, because this limbo situation would be out from your life, and Ace of Cups with Knight of Cups. A proposal coming your way. This person wants to offer you that same friendship or same love relationship which you are also waiting for. And I felt that it is your divine connection, and this limbo situation was because of their karmic patterns, either with you or with someone. Now that is over. That cycle is over, and that's why you have Nine of Wands as your main energy, because you have done waiting. It's 90% gone. It's just 10%. Maybe their action is only waiting, the waiting zone, and now you have Knight of Cups. So which is very clear that you will be getting that proposal from this person of love, of emotion, of everything which is fulfilling to your emotional justice which you are looking for. Because I also feel that some of you are not willing to accept this relationship. You just want your answers. You just want that closure, that this love was a true love, or it was just a fake situation this person had built with you. But now they are coming with the clarity. They are going to tell you why they could not give you that emotion, why they could not offer you that love, because they were themselves stuck. But what is their part of story is also a complete past story, because if they were stuck, there had to be some great energy stuck there, because now the fluidity is Ace of Cups, which is a fluid energy of love or explanation or expression. So maybe their heart chakra was blocked, and that is the reason they were stuck. They couldn't explain because they themselves couldn't understand what was happening. So a proposal coming your way. So by divine guidance, I want to check that after so long, after waiting zone, and for so long you didn't know which way to go and why this person didn't come. I'm also getting this feeling that this person also had similar kind of dilemma towards you. It is a kind of a situation where two of you were stuck and none of you knew that this is going to come up. This energy is going to be like a divine intervention. And let's check that if this person comes, which is shown in the cards, this person is going to come, offer you love. What divine wants you to do? Do you want, divine wants you to trust this situation and move ahead with this person, or you will be just closing this by getting the emotional justice and moving on? So I will pull out 3 cards to check what divine wants you to do, because you should go with divine, because that's the best thing for your life. 3 cards for divine message for you. I feel that you were childhood friends, or maybe that childhood connection is there. It's a very long-term connection. Okay, so I feel that too much of waiting zone. I think this person is living very far from you. Either it is a situation of different country, because they had a Fool card with 4 of Pentacles. So they were absolutely moving on a path they never knew. They never knew. Even if the cross watchers are watching me, they would understand this energy, because they're watching their own explanation in this video. But they were very possessive of you or this connection, because they have not let go of this thing. They are still looking for this connection, and they are possessive. They are very much holding on to you, holding on to this connection, but they are going to meet you because they are coming. They have fenced and guarded their heart. That is a sure thing, because they are also hurt. They are also in a confused state that after whatever has happened, will you be able to give them the same love or emotion? So they are also confused. But the 6 of Swords tells me that it's a long distance connection, and definitely they have waited like you have waited, because it is 7 of Pentacles. So why they are coming to you? Because this waiting zone is actually killing both of you. So I think this waiting zone is going to go away, but the divine message for you is that you should also guard your heart. You should not just go by the words they say or the way they express it. You should take your time, think about it, completely introspect the situation, and then move forward. You are also holding on to the past. This person is also holding on to the past, but you both are guarded. You both have guarded heart chakra, heart. So you have to listen to them, but also analyze the situation and then think about it if you want to move ahead in that. So divine has kept the doors open for you. They are not telling you to shut it down, but also you have to take time, introspect, think, and then move forward. Apart from this, any other energy which is coming in November for Taurus 2020? Because I feel too much of love is there around. You're waiting, they are coming. And it's okay, so it's a Lover's card in the center, which is very clear that this love, this union is supposed to happen. Also, I feel with Lover's card, you have Queen of Swords. This is your time to speak up. Maybe you were not allowed to speak. You were not heard, because Lovers includes 2 people, definitely, and a spirit support. But Queen of Swords is all the feminine I'm talking about. If a cross watcher, you are a female, then maybe it is your time to speak up. You will be in your truth, standing there telling that this is what I am, this is what I've thought of you, and this is the way I want to move forward. I want to leave this relationship. But you will get time now. You will get that kind of importance now, that it's your time to speak, because I think you waited a lot for them and they owe that explanation to you. Because in the past it is showing 5 of Wands. The energy, both of you, was just ego. They said they always felt they did too much in this relationship and it was just ignored, and you also feel the same way. But now they are coming to tell you they are still waiting on to you, they are in love with you. But with Lovers card, definitely there is a karmic cycle always attached to it. So you have to be very clear with this person, because karmic relationships are always like that. They go in circles, they keep on coming, and they always go to teach you a lesson or something. So stand in your power, Taurus, and talk about it. Be very clear in your conversation. No more confusions, no more disappointments, because you waited and that person has also waited, but then I think it's your time. So I hope you like my reading. You can also book me for personal consultations. All my details are mentioned in the description box. I will be coming up with more readings for you, and especially in December, I would like to know that what happened to this relationship. Did you accept the proposal, or when they came, what happened? So you can message me if you absolutely resonate with this reading. And thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon. Bye.